bend your elbows so your hands come in towards the midline. And chest squeezes down, chin might have to tuck right in, or you might have to turn your head to one side. A lovely squeezy stretch between the shoulders. Good, and then come up onto hands and knees and just swirl your pelvis around. So nice big circles, and get your shoulders involved. Lovely big circling through the whole of your body, starting with your pelvis and then the other direction. I like to imagine I've got a tail and I'm swirling my tail behind me. So you're getting a nice bit of mobilization through the whole of your back. And then knees together and let your hips drop from side to side, like so. You want to get a nice deep stretch into the hips, massaging into the lower back as well. Now take your pelvis slightly back, so I'm going to take my right sitting bone down to about 4 or 5 o'clock on the clock face, left fingertips stretching out to about 11 o'clock, so we get a nice stretch across the back of the body, right down into those hips. And then coming up and over to the other side, so left sitting bone coming down to about 7, 8 o'clock on the clock face, right fingers stretching out to about 2 o'clock. Good, good, good. Lovely. Stretch your hands nice and wide, even hands underneath shoulders, tucking toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Placing one heel at a time down towards the ground. Now, you can see my tail is being pulled back and up, so we're not here, weight through arms, we're here. Now, keep your knees as bent as you need to, keep the sitting bones lifted and spread, and then you start to ease your heels down one at a time, and eventually both heels go down. But we first of all want to make sure that the spine gets a nice pleasant stretch. Armpits are facing the ground, you're pushing down and slightly out through your hands, so it's like you're spinning plates underneath your hands.